Hello and welcome students. Today we are going to do the third independent project of Microsoft Excel from the SIMnet assignment. It is the Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 independent project 3-4, and make sure that you have downloaded this start file because we are going to use this, and in this assignment we will cover these skill set you can see. And if you want me to do this assignment for you or the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, statistics, finance or accounting related projects, do text me on the WhatsApp. You can also email me. You just need to send me the files over the WhatsApp and I will complete that assignment for you. And then you can just submit it and get it graded. And keeping in view the prices, these are very economical service in terms of price and also available 24/7. So you can text me round the clock. Let's go through this. You can see there are multiple steps right there, and meanwhile in the center we have the screenshot of how the project is proceeding, and at the end we have the complete screenshot of how the project will look like after completing all the steps. So don't waste the time. Let's get started with the first step, that is open the classic garden start file. If the work open in protected view, click enable. We have already opened it. This is the classic file. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project name file if directed to do so by the instruction. So we haven't been instructed like that, so we are okay with this. You do not need to change anything. Moving to step number 3, that is use the quick analysis tool to create a clustered column chart object for the cell A4 to G9. Okay, I guess this one is A4 to G9. You have to select. Make sure to select the correct range. Okay, and the chart type, that is clustered column. So here you see this is the quick analysis toolbox. Just click here, click on the charts and click on the clustered column chart. That's it. So we are done with this step also. Moving to step number 3, that is move the chart object so that the left top corner is in cell A12. Resize the bottom of the chart to reach H30. Okay, so whenever you are asked to resize, first of all select the chart and after that drag it A12 and H30. Drag it in the A12. So the left corner, top corner is in A12 and the right one is H30. So for the H we have to widen it more, and also we have to increase the height of that. So now you can see it is on the 30, it is on the 12, A and H. So it is correctly positioned A12 and H30. I hope you got it. Moving to step number 4, that is added the chart title to display this CGL gross margin in dollars in the first line. So I'm just copying it and clicking the chart title on the first line. On the second line, type by department. In the formula bar, press enter to start a new line. So I'm going to just copy the text which I need to place there. Okay, we will remove the press alt and enter. Like this. Okay, so we are good to go with this chart title as well. I'm again repeating it. If you are finding it difficult or if you do not have the time to execute those kind of assignment, because in the next weeks you will be having MS Access assignment as well. So do text me anytime, and I'm available 24/7 with a very economical pricing. Do reach to me if you need any assistance. Moving to step number 5, that is apply chart style 14 to the chart. Click here, chart design, and style 14, maybe this last one. Yes, style 14. Apply a 1-point black text one outline of the chart area. Okay, so click on the chart, format, and here click on the shape outline. Outline was black 1 point. Click here and again click on the weight and click 1 point. That's it. So now you see it is a 1 point black outline, the chart area. You can see right there. Wait, let me see it again. Yeah. In fact, if you click here, yeah, it is already the chart area. So we are good to go up till now. Moving to step number 7, that is display the primary minor horizontal axis grid. Primary minor horizontal axis grid. This one. Format the major value axis grid lines. Major values axis. These are the major values, and with black text 1. Now that's it. Now you see we have the correct chart right there. And black text 1 outline color. So grid, okay. Next, do not change the color of the minor grid lines. These are the minor grid lines you can see, and these are the major grid lines. Now moving next to step number 9. Okay, 8 is remaining. Resize the data range to remove the design consulting data from the series. So it has, you can see these are the legends right there. It shows the data. So they want us that they do not want this design consulting to be present right there. Okay, so they resize the data range to remove design consulting. So for this you need to click on the chart and click on the select data. Here you can uncheck this design consulting. Once you click OK, now you see that design consulting has been removed from this chart. I hope you got it. Moving to step number 9, that is select cell A1 and click break even tab. Select cell A1. So here you have to select A1 and after that click the break-even sheet tab. This is the break-even sheet tab. Now it says review break-even formulas and build the data source for a line chart. Select cell B8. This is probably B8, yes. And the margin per unit is calculated by subtracting the variable cost from the price. Select cell B10. This is B10. Okay, B5 minus B6. And this is a roundup. Okay, the formula divides the fixed cost by the sales price minus the variable cost. The result are rounded to show no decimal. Review the references and formulas in row 15. Row 15 is this one. Build a table for the chart by copying the formula in the row 15 to the blank rows below it, including row 24. Build a chart by copying the formula in row 15 to the blank rows below it and including rows 24. Now it says select B5 and type 200. B5 is this one. Type 200. It's going to change. Verify that at the price the break-even point is 200 units. It says at this price the break-even point is 200 units. This is the level at which the profit covers all costs. Okay, let's have a look at the final outcome if we are going correct. Yeah, we are absolutely on the right track. Yeah, so it's good to go up till now. We are absolutely right. The next is step number 11, that is create a line chart. Select cell B14 to C24. B14 to C24 and E14 to F24. Press the Control key and select the non-adjacent cells E14 to F24. Create a 2D line chart with markers for each line. Go to the Insert tab and "2D line with markers." I think this one is the 2D line with markers, and this is something else. This one is the 2D line with markers, because it says 2D line chart with markers for each line. Position the chart to start at A26 and H45. A26, drag it, H45. Now moving to step number 12, that is edit the source data and edit in the horizontal axis level. Excel has determined a scale, but you can override the result. Okay. Let me have a look. Right click there and select data, and now it says click edit in the horizontal category access labels. This is the horizontal access category labels. We are going to edit it and select cell B15 to B24. In this one we are going to select B15 to B24. B15, I guess. B15 to B24. So we are going to select B15 to B24 and click. Let's see. Deselect the sold box in the legend entries. Where are the legends entries? This is the legend entries, and we are going to remove this sold from here and click OK. There are categories, labels, and should not plotted line. Yeah, that's it. So category labels have been removed from this. Edit the chart title to display break even in units. So here's the chart title. Usually we do not put the full stop right there. I think that's it for this video. If I keep on recording, it will be longer enough. Do text me if you want me to complete the next part of it, or if you want me to hire to complete your complete course assignment. I'm also available. Just send your files over the email or over the WhatsApp, and I will record, or I will complete all the assignment for you, and then I will send it back the files. Then you can submit it and get it graded. It's a very economical service in terms of price, and it's round the clock available, so you can text me anytime. Do subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. Till then, take care.